This short traces how trains electrified economies and reshaped cities, turning distant landscapes into reachable hubs of commerce. From steam engines venturing through coal smoke to high-speed rails, the journey reveals discipline, daring, and incremental fixations. Similarly, refrigerators slid from ice boxes to smart cooling ecosystems, quietly shaping food security, preserved freshness, and modern grocery culture. By tracing these origins to today's adaptive cities, the video shows technology's social ripple effects on work, health, and citizens. The series continues with fresh histories of sensors, networks, and green innovations that sneak into daily life, quietly steering tomorrow.